Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of slope and y-intercept. This is standard 8.2c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 47 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got Carolyn. She's buying the same number of stamps every month. All right, so we have some type of rate that we're using consistently. We're going to add to the stamp collection that her grandfather gave her. And so here's our numbers, and we need to figure out how many stamps she will buy every month. So that's the rate we're looking for. But it's kind of interesting here. We've got x and y, but there's no graph. And you notice our x is not necessarily consistent. Our y looks like they're going to be, multiples of 50. Looks like we're 250, 350, 500, 700. So watch what happens if we get a problem like this. Let's extend it out. Let's start filling in some of these blanks. Okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do 1, 250. But I'm going to leave a 2, and I'm going to leave a 3, 350. We need 4, don't have it. 5, not provided. 6, 500. We're going to see that we can easily see the pattern if we extend it out like this. So there's nothing stopping you from doing this if this is your test. All right, 10 gets you to 700. So what's the jump between 250 and 350? All right, so let's see. Looks like that's a jump of 100. We just missed 1, so if we split that in half, it could be a 50-50. So let's see what happens if I do a 50. We'll just test it out. So that's 300. So if I keep adding 50, that's going to be 400. That is going to be 450, 500, check. 550, 600, 650, 700. All right, so it looks like we found our rate. Our rate is going to be plus 50. So we're actually using this slope-intercept form right here. It doesn't look like it because we don't have a graph, but it's y equals mx plus b. So our y is going to be our rate. Remember, rate can be graphed as a slope. So that's going to be 50x, because we're doing 50 a month, plus b, plus our y-intercept. So we've already said that this is x and this is y. Well, she didn't start with 0 and go straight up to 50. So let's move this back one. Now let's subtract 50. If we go down 50, we're going to get 200. So what it looks like is that she starts with 200. So that's if our x is 0. That means at the 0 month, she starts with 200, and then she adds 50 per month after that. So this looks like this might be a form. This works, right? Like if I wanted to just test out a number, I can say if x is 6, right? 50 times 6 plus 200, that's going to be 300 plus 200. That equals our 500 right there. So you always want to test it out to make sure. So here's our equation. Now, how does that translate into words? A, Carolyn was given 200 stamps. Yes, and she will buy 50 stamps a month. That's looking good. B, she was given 180. Nope, she was given 200. She's not going to buy. That's wrong. Carolyn was given 180. No, but she will buy 50. Yes, that works. But only half of it. And then she was given 200. No. Or actually, that's yes, but our no is right here on that 70. So even though we've got partial here and a partial here, it only pulls it together here. Our answer is going to be A.